Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone. This is a really interesting little drone, designed to be ultra-lightweight and compact, making it quite portable and potentially easier to navigate in tighter spaces. It's built with a plastic frame and comes in black, and its physical dimensions are quite small, measuring in at about 4.5 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches. The manufacturer is listed as Selvia, and it's branded generically, but the components inside are what really stand out. One of the headline features here is the state-of-the-art 2.5 video transmission system. This is a big deal for an FPV drone, especially one this size, promising crystal-clear visuals, which is absolutely essential for immersive and precise FPV flying. Having that kind of clarity can make a huge difference in your flying experience, whether you're navigating complex environments or just enjoying the view. Under the hood, it's powered by a highly efficient Taker G435 AIO flight system paired with 14 4500 kV motors. This combination suggests it should have plenty of power for its size while maintaining good efficiency, which is key for flight time on a small battery. The all-in-one flight controller simplifies the build and wiring, which is always a plus. For navigation, this drone includes integrated GPS. This is a fantastic feature for a small FPV quadcopter, allowing for precision navigation. It's also noted for rapid satellite acquisition, meaning you won't be waiting around forever to get a GPS lock before you can fly. GPS can be useful for features like return to home, position hold, or simply logging your flight path accurately. The design is specifically mentioned as compact and lightweight, meeting FAA standards. This is important for pilots in regions where drone regulations are based on weight. Being lightweight makes it less intimidating and potentially easier to fly for those new to FPV, while still offering advanced features. Finally, the camera system includes advanced anti-shake technology utilizing a camera damping ball. This is crucial for ensuring that the high-definition video captured by the included camera is smooth and stable, even during dynamic flight maneuvers. Nobody wants shaky footage, so having built-in mechanical damping is a definite advantage. Overall, this 2.5-inch quadcopter packs some serious technology into a small package, aiming to provide a high-quality FPV experience with modern features like 2.5 transmission and integrated GPS.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.